Still stuck with that default hosting or globe icon in your browser tab? Let's swap it for your brand's favicon in under 2 minutes. Nothing makes a site feel more unfinished than that generic placeholder staring back at you every time you open a new tab. By the end of this walkthrough, your custom favicon will be locked in and your site will finally look like it belongs to you. I will show you exactly where to click in the hosting or builder to replace the favicon image. Just follow these simple steps. So start by navigating to your site inside the hosting or website builder. You want to have your project open and ready to go. This is the same dashboard where you edit your pages and manage your content. Once you are looking at your site, the next part is easy. Now look for the three-dot menu. It is usually in the top navigation area of the builder interface. That little icon with 3 vertical dots is your gateway to the settings we need. Just click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This opens up a whole panel of options for your site. And here's the really important part. Inside Settings, you need to find the favicon option. It might be tucked away in a submenu or listed right in the main settings panel depending on your builder view. Just scroll down until you see the word favicon. It should be clearly labeled. Click on the favicon area to proceed. This will open up the favicon editor where you can see your current icon. Your current favicon will be highlighted. You will see that default hosting or globe icon selected and ready to be changed. It might be a small preview box, but this is exactly where the magic happens. Now click Replace Image to upload your new one. This button is usually right there next to the preview or directly on the favicon itself. Your computer's file browser will pop up. Choose your brand's favicon file from your computer. Make sure it is a square image, ideally something simple and recognizable at small sizes. PNG or ICO files work great. Just select it and click Open. Confirm the upload to apply the change. The builder might take a second to process the new image. Once it is done, you will see your custom favicon sitting right there in the preview box. Finally, check your browser tab to see the new favicon. You might need to reload the page or even close and reopen the tab for it to show up. But once it does, that little icon in your tab is now yours. Clean, professional, and completely on brand. And that is it. You went from a generic globe to your own custom favicon in just a couple of minutes. Your site already looks more polished. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.